A fiery political showdown erupted in the Lok Sabha today as Home Minister Amit Shah and leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi clashed over electoral reforms, voter list, and the credibility of the Election Commission. What was meant to be a structured debate quickly turned into one of the most confrontational moments of the session. Rahul Gandhi began by pressing the government on three major points: why the election commissioners have been given immunity, why there is no full transparency in EVM architecture, and why voter list contained discrepancies issues he claims to have exposed in multiple press conferences.
इसका इसका पीछ में खत्म नहीं किया सर। इसके पीछे जो थिंकिंग थी वो हमें सबसे पहले बताएं।
मैं 30 साल से विधानसभा और संसद में जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में चुनकर आता हूं। मुझे लंबा अनुभव है संसदीय प्रणाली का। विपक्ष के नेता महोदय कहते हैं कि पहले मेरी बात का आप जवाब दीजिए, मैं सुनना चाहता हूं। आपकी मुनसफी से संसद नहीं चलेगी। मेरे आप बोलने का क्रम मैं तय करूंगा। इस तरह से नहीं चलेगी संसद। मान्यवर, उनको धैर्य रखना चाहिए। उनको धैर्य रखना चाहिए मेरा जवाब सुनने का। इनकी एक एक बात का जवाब मैं दूंगा।
Rahul challenged Amit Shah directly by saying that let's debate my press conferences right here. Amit Shah responded sharply. He said the BJP has lost more election than it has won, but has never questioned the election commission. He accused the opposition of damaging the EC's credibility globally and asked, if electoral rolls were corrupted, why did you even contest elections? Shah also said that EC is already working on complaints raised by opposition through the special intensive revision and accused them of protesting the very reform meant to fix the issues they keep highlighting. The debate escalated when Shah invoked historical examples involving the Nehru-Gandhi family, triggering strong protests from Congress members. Tensions peaked when Shah said that opposition's objection to SIR was linked to protecting illegal immigrants on voter rolls, leading to an opposition walkout.
क्यों किया? अगर सच्चाई नहीं सुन सकते तो इतना दिनों तक सरकार
Outside the parliament, Rahul Gandhi said Shah's reply was defensive and fearful, accusing him of avoiding every substantive question.
सर क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? ऑपोजिशन ने वॉकआउट किया।
होम मिनिस्टर का रिस्पांस देखा
जी।
डिफेंसिव रिस्पांस
जी
और जो हमने पॉइंट्स रखे हैं
जी।
उसका जवाब नहीं दिया।
In the larger picture, today's clash shows how the battle over electoral credibility has become the newest political fault line, and neither side is stepping back